Hey guys, and I am really excited आज के वीडियो के लिए because we are going to college, but not exactly. So let me explain. Basically, most of the colleges, not a lot actually, but a few colleges host these things called summer college or a summer school. This is like a residential program जिसमें वो students को invite करते हैं. Not invite actually, you pay for it. But तुम उनके college में जाते हो and you study certain courses like मैंने कभी इंजीनियरिंग का कोर्स नहीं देखा लाइक शॉर्ट टर्म मोबाइल डेवलपमेंट या समथिंग बट छोटे छोटे कोर्सेज रहते हैं सच एज दी वन दैट आई एम टेकिंग इज मोबाइल फिल्म मेकिंग बट यू कैन टेक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आई गेस डिजाइनिंग समथिंग बट दिस टाइम आई हैड दी फाइनली चांस बिकॉज एवरी टाइम मैं जाना चाहता हूँ फ्रॉम 9th स्टैंडर्ड आई बीन ट्राइंग टू गो बट I always have exams or something. But this time I can actually go to the summer school and I am going to MIT ADT and I am really excited because the campus is really wide and I am bringing you guys there to show everything that I'm gonna do. So let's just meet tomorrow. You can see the excitement that I have in face. This is my first time that I'm going to be far from my family. That actually scares me a bit and मैं actually रो रहा था because I mean like not full on रोना but I'm a bit scared because this is going to be the first time I'm going to be away from my family even for 5 days. It's a lot but I just hope I don't get too homesick and I enjoy the whole thing and I'm also feeling a bit of feverish. I hope that goes away by tomorrow. I can keep talking but let's just get to the next clip. Yeah. Hey guys, and I am in the campus. So actually I couldn't take you inside with me for whatever the introduction was, but introduction is not completely completed. Basically I met my instructor. His name is Mr. Rajat. I'm so sorry if I pronounce that wrong. मैं बहुत bad pronouncer हूँ. But basically मैं and सिर्फ एक और लड़का है हमारे कोर्स में. It's completely fine though. He's a really nice guy and he is really very informative. And he just showed me a bit through their building and they said you can now have a assignment and मेरा assignment है कि I need to make a 30-second video of the campus and I need to get back to him. So I'm kind of in a hurry and that's why I'm kind of running because मेरे पास time नहीं है because then we will have our induction program or orientation program for like at lunch and we will go to the hostel then. So yeah, I'm currently मैं आपको campus दिखाऊंगा don't worry but not today probably because आज मुझे थोड़ा assignments रहेंगे but after that I'll surely show you. But here's the view by the way. मेरा फ़ोन गिर गया. No worries, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so right now on the spot मैं fashion lab में हूँ. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to be here but I am. Anyways, हमारा जो असाइनमेंट मिला है मैं उसके लिए बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज मैं लिटरली 2 किलोमीटर पूरा का पूरा कैंपस घूम चुका हूँ एंड देन आई वेंट टू ऑल द लैब्स. यू विल सी द फाइनल वीडियो एनीवेज बट आई स्टिल डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड आई नीड टू कंप्लीट दिस एज फास्ट एज आई कैन. बाय द वे आई गॉट अ न्यू फ्रेंड मेरे ही क्लास में है एंड मैं उस सबको मिलाता हूँ. हिज काइंड ऑफ बिजी, ही जस्ट केम नाउ बट एनीवेज आई विल सी यू लेटर गाइस. थोड़ी जल्दी में आई एम सॉरी एंड यू कैन सी मैं कितने पसीने में. यहाँ पर एसी नहीं है एंड मैं छाता लाया हूँ एंड मैं वो अपने बैग में भूल गया हूँ. Hey guys, so currently I am in the architectural building and हम अपना वीडियो अच्छा निकाल रहे हैं. I just said a bye to my family because वो अभी चले गए. But right now it is very hot and I just want you guys to meet my friend here.
Hi. I am very bad at vlogging, okay? तो मुझे नहीं है ज़्यादा vlogging का experience. मैं stage acting में ज़्यादा behave करता हूँ.
Guys, see this clip. एक सेकेंड ईयर कॉलेज में ये वीडियो क्लिप बनाया था उससे बहुत बेहतर है तू यार. दिस इज सो नेचुरल. प्लान नहीं था.
ये ब्लॉगिंग अच्छी है ना, वो हम ज़्यादा वो एक्साइट होके करते हैं वैसा नहीं होता.
हेलो गाइस,
मैं हूँ. ओके पानी दे रहा है यहाँ पे कुछ
कैमरा नहीं है. हम लंच के लिए बाद में जाएंगे बट अभी मुझे बाय. Hey guys, so finally we are in our hostel and right now you are only seeing a white building because मैं hostel ठीक से दिखाऊंगा but this is my bed. I need to set this up. फिर हमने unpack भी नहीं किया because हम जैसे आए our classes got started and I will explain everything to you. All the assignments because we do have some assignments right now. We are getting kinda late but मुझे थोड़ी देर settle होना है because I'm really tired. And I'll see you guys probably while we do our next assignment. By the way, this was the previous assignment and I have said the word assignment too much. Yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys. let me explain आज क्या क्या हुआ है, and I'm extremely sorry that I'm sleeping and making a video instead of sitting. I'm really sorry for that. I'm kind of tired actually. So सबसे पहले when we came, I didn't get to shoot a lot of things because there weren't a lot of things to shoot. But जैसे ही मैं आया, like I met Rajit Akre sir, and he just showed me around and we talked. We went to the computer lab and then he gave me an assignment. So you had to like search for the entire campus and like make a video of it. And I hope कि आपने I guess that video turned out. I know that video turned out okay, but I mean my expectations were met with that video. But I did not get a lot of time, because like हमारे क्लासेस भी चल रहे थे एंड आज ही हमें हॉस्टल में ही आना था. सो फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम हमें हॉस्टल में आने के लिए चले गया. देन मुझे भागना पड़ा एंड देन उसके बाद आफ्टर डूइंग ऑल व्हेन आई टुक माई लैपटॉप टू लाइक हिज कैबिन एंड स्टार्टेड टू एडिट, माई लैपटॉप चार्ज runs out and guess what, मेरा लैपटॉप यूएस है and I don't have a universal port, so मैं भूल गया. So it was a huge headache, but honestly this has been so far so amazing. मेरा roommate awesome है and everything has been going good. And like मैं 12,000 steps चढ़ा. That is the most worst thing ever. 12,000 steps मैं एक हफ्ते में नहीं चलता हूँ, मैं इतना थक चुका हूँ इसलिए. But I think so, right, we also went to like tuck shop, ate sandwich and some tea. So these are my keys and they're so cute. Like just take a look at them. Like this is my book that I published, and then this is the room keys and everything. But like these books are so awesome, right? But anyways, that is it guys. I will see you later and I hope that I won't feel that awkward कि मैं mess में बात ना कर पाऊँ. Yeah. Hey guys, so currently I am right here in this river. If I'm tired, that is because I walked 15,000 steps today and I'm really tired. But anyways, हमें और चढ़ना है because we have to go to the mess and we have to get back to the hostel and I'm really tired. I know मैं tired 1000 बार बोल चुका, but I'm tired. मुझे भूख लग रही है. No, honestly, the one thing that I need right now is sleep. See you guys later. Hey guys, I hope you guys can hear me clearly, but I'm just in my corridor right now, walking a little bit. Not exactly, I actually went here for a call, but I'm all settled in my room and you know what, it's not bad. We have like 2 cots and it's nice, but yeah, so that is going to be the end of today and probably I'll just do some editing. I'll try to pick up a montage. Good morning guys, and आज है day 2 of my hostel life. So currently कल रात मैं like 12:30 को सोया था because मुझे थोड़ा काम था and then I couldn't sleep, so I just watched some videos and net was so good that it made me wanna strangle the person who invented that net. 0.4 Mbps per second चल रहा है. It was so irritating. But anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick room tour, even though my room is not that clean. I can guarantee अगर मैं अभी नहीं दूंगा तो फिर मैं इन 4 दिन में कभी नहीं देने वाला हूँ because it's not gonna get better. So yeah, but hey, come on in guys. This is the cement I use for my hotel rooms and my hostel room. So this is our very beautiful, very awesome, very chilling, not so that big and very stressed hostel. So as you can come here, ये है हमारे table. Please not wet me कि मेरा सारा सामान बाहर है.
वो मेरा भी है.
Not that great, but this is my workstation that I'm currently working on. मेरा लैपटॉप यहाँ नहीं है because of course I will keep it locked up. But then we have this like अलमारियाँ जो हमने खाली रखी है because हम सिर्फ 5 दिन के लिए and I don't want to forget stuff. And then this is the bed. Yeah, वो बेड वो साउंड बहुत करता है and ये बहुत हार्ड मैट्रेस है. It's like sleeping on a rock, but it's fine. उन्होंने ये चादर तो दी है but like I don't feel comfortable, इसलिए मैंने खुद की चादर लाई है. Now if you guys follow me, this wardrobe, this is my friend's wardrobe and this is mine. and these are my amazing keys. And if I just open this up, you guys can see that. Just give me a second.
Wait.
And if you guys can see, this is my wardrobe. And I just have my stuff lying in a laptop and other things. And yeah, pretty much very cool. And this room is not big enough to have anything else, so that is the end of the room. Now we are gonna go and play some Pong. After that, we have our classes, so just we need to take all the stuff that we need. Let's see you guys later. Thank you. Something Dolly के लिए best होएगा.
एक book का जो center.
Yes, so I'm right now here at the tuck shop or like the Sangeet mess in the ATD hostel, and I'm very hungry and breakfast अभी तक start नहीं हुआ है. This is how the tuck shop looks, and yeah, pretty much that is it. By the way, पिंग पोंग बॉल उन्होंने बोला सुबह नहीं देता, so हमारा प्लान कैंसिल हो गया. इसके बाद हमें क्लासेस हैं. Anyways, I'll see you later. So actually I was waiting in the library for a couple of while, so I just thought I might as well take some shots for the assignment, and finally I went to his cabin to continue our classes. Then I won't be able to, I will only able to do it digitally. Lens नहीं बदलेगा मेरा.
Oh, okay. कि क्या कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, इसमें macro है तो सिर्फ macro है. Hey guys, so currently हमारा first lecture हो गया है completed and हमारा second lecture I think so time is 10:50 or something. हमारा second lecture actually lunch के बाद है, but हमें हमारा पहला assignment मिला आज के लिए, which is to create a film, short film, and then we have to edit it and then we have to show it to our instructor at 4 o'clock. We also have sound design class at like after lunch so 2 o'clock के लिए, and I just couldn't resist myself from like sliding from this. That's it. So for the short film we had to write a script, and for the script we needed a laptop, and I really did not have the energy to go back to my room, so we just went to the library and wrote the script on spot. Hey guys, so currently हम actually एक short film निकाल रहे हैं. So हमें assignment मिला, we need to make a short film, and me and my friend he is the protagonist in that.
हाँ, yes. ये बेइज्जती करने वाला इंसान.
He's a depressed software engineer.
Why?
Everyone hates him, and no one likes him. Not in real life.
Software engineer तो कोई नहीं लाइफ करता.
Fine, software student or something. But anyways, अभी we are going for lunch to meet some other people who are extras, and they are just gonna be like play a group of friends. You know the typical high school scene. Can I sit with you? The cool dude says no. That scene. And he's also shooting a short film, and I am the main actor.
कैसे बनेंगे यार? कपड़े नहीं उनके पास.
कोई नहीं bro. So अभी हम lunch जा रहे हैं.
Yes, they are
अच्छा.
intellectually cool.
हाँ हाँ.
ये अच्छा नहीं.
So actually अभी हम
ये डालना, ये
डालना.
intellectually cool.
So actually अभी हम lunch आजा. So actually अभी हम lunch जा रहे हैं, and then we will shoot some more scenes in the hostel dorm. चल.
Seats not there.
Perfect. Hey guys, so currently मैं यहाँ पर पेड़ों के नीचे बैठा हूँ because suddenly बारिश गिर रही है बहुत तेज. It doesn't look like it, but like it's actually quite heavy. And yeah, हम mid campus में, and we are kind of stuck honestly. And हमें shooting भी करनी थी because of our film and stuff, which is gonna be stopped. But anyways guys, the film has been really going well. मेरा concept मुझे अच्छा लगा, and मृणाल ने क्या बोलते हैं
मेरा concept मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा.
उसे अच्छा नहीं लगा, but I feel it could be executed well. It could be really amazing. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing, and I'll see you guys later. छाते में ले, मुझे छाते में ले. Hey guys, so as you can see, this rain is very heavy. हम किसी random बंदे को car ride पूछी, that's why we got saved, but we are still very wet.
अंकल बहुत अच्छे थे. सॉरी, भैया बहुत अच्छे थे. भैया ने कभी देख ली तो.
Anyways, that is the thing. Now we are planning to go to hostel, but not sure how. Hey yes, actually we are in hostel right now, and for some great reason मैं ज़्यादा भीगा नहीं, and not only that, a miracle happened and like हमें एक random car मिली, I don't know, it was some parents or something, and हमने lift मांगी and उन्होंने lift दे दी, and I'm so happy for that. एंड उसके बाद हम तुरंत लाइक आ गए हॉस्टल में भागते भागते, क्योंकि हमारा हॉस्टल से पास ही था वो जहाँ उन्होंने रोकी थी. एंड राइट नाउ वी आर जस्ट कंप्लीटिंग माई शॉर्ट फिल्म. So that is what is happening right now, and I just really hope that I can make the film, and I really want to use a lot of shots, and including some of them like this one or the low angle one. I'm trying all of them क्योंकि हमने वही चीज़ आज सीखी थी, and we also learned a lot more about angles and how to use them. So not only that, आज के हमारे assignment are a lot harder because we have to make an entire short film. It is quite hard, but no worries, we'll get it completed. I'll see you later, guys. So right now we are out because like मेरे roommate को थोड़ा video shoot करना था, and I am his like kinda the hero. So that is the reason we are doing this stuff right now. Even though I'm very tired and I wanna sleep, but no worries, it's completely fine. He helped me to मेरी duty है. I'll see you guys after the shoot. Hey guys, so right now we are here at Tuck Shop and we are eating snacks. Hey guys, so currently मैं मैगी खा रहा हूँ टक शॉप पे, एंड आई नो मेरे आईज ठीक से नहीं दिख रहे, बट द रीजन इज कि मेरे फोन में 20 सेकंड की चार्ज बची है. लिटरली 20 सेकंड, नॉट 20 मिनट.
10, 9,
Wow.
8, 7.
I am just coming from Tuck Shop because like मेरा फ़ोन का चार्ज डेड हो गया था, and I didn't want to walk on the campus without my phone, so I just waited a while and made sure it got charged a little bit. मैं नीचे देख के चल रहा हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ कट है, but yeah, I think so I just want some alone time, इसलिए I'm just gonna roam sometime. Hey guys, so the time is 8:30 and we are doing a pizza party in our dorm room, me and my roomie. Anyways, like yeah, आज मेस में खाना खाने का मन नहीं था हम दोनों का, so we just thought like make a pizza party. We invited the other people in our next rooms, but like they were locked and something happened and they didn't came, but we were have a party and I'll see you later. Bro, तू एक ब्लॉगर के साथ ऑफ कोर्स तुझे खाने से पहले वीडियो चाहिए होता है.
इसको फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करना पड़ा तुझे.
Hey guys, I'm recording again the worst thing ever, a white wall. That's why the full clarity is so bakwas. But anyways, I'm so sorry for that right now. Right now I'm editing my movie and the time is 12 o'clock. I'm so stupid. मैं अपने रूममेट के साथ बातें कर रहा था and we just like lost. But like we had a lot of fun. We played ping pong and like ये जो seniors आए थे, not seniors because I'm not in college, but they were like not ragging, but like it felt a bit like कभी भी हो सकता है. I mean, I'm saying it as a joke. If you're watching this video, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ था. I'm just saying it as a joke. I will explain what happened. So basically वो ऐसा आते हैं and हाँ भाई, so actually what happened कि वो लोग आए थे and like ऐसे just पूछ रहे थे कि कहाँ हो, कौन से हो, ऐसे 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 थोड़ा सा like जोकी रूडी वे में पूछ रहे थे. So I mean like it felt a bit different. नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स जैसे नहीं मीट करते, बट दे वर चिल यार. लाइक हमने जोक्स मारे, फिर वी हंग आउट फॉर अ वाइल, पूल खेला, फिर वी लाइक हमारे बाजू के रूममेट्स को वी इन्वाइटेड एंड प्लेड पूल, मेड सम प्लान्स फॉर टुमारो एंड एंजॉयड अ लॉट. राइट नाउ आई एम एडिटिंग, माई रूममेट इज गोना स्लीप एंड आई एम गोना डू सम स्टफ डन. So that is the thing that I'm gonna do for the next, I don't know, editing खत्म करने के. Hey guys, so currently I am in the design building and मैं just like steps पे बैठा हूँ because हमारा class is going to start at 10 o'clock and I just like was tired to go to hostel, तो मैंने सोचा कि 50 मिनट यहीं पर बैठ लेते हैं and no problem. मेरा प्लान था लाइब्रेरी जाएंगे, but like my roommate didn't want to and he had some homework left, so he's doing that and मुझे just थोड़ी देर लेटना है या रेस्ट लेना है because I am tired. मैं कल 4 घंटे सोया because I was editing. And I didn't even say the introduction to this video. Hey guys, this is the day 3 of our summer classes. And yeah, आज I think so हम बाहर जाने वाले with sir for some educational things. So that is what's gonna happen today. Yeah. Alright, so we are finally done with the first half hour of college and something really exciting happened. Exactly. So sir ने हमें उनकी गाड़ी दी है for shooting a video and we're gonna have a lot of fun with it because campus बहुत बड़ा था and we were having a lot of trouble too. First stop so that we can set up the first scene for the bike and then we're gonna take a look कि हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. But ये bike currently गंदी है so we are gonna wash that bike first. Hey guys, we are back at the tuck shop. So basically, huge thing happened. हमारा बाइक स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा था. We were stranded and बारिश गिरनी शुरू हो गई. एंड ये बंदा मुझे छोड़ के बाइक लेके चले गया.
हाँ, तो एग्जैक्टली वही
1 किलोमीटर चले गया. मैंने किसी और को पूछा और मुझे छोड़ने बोल दिया. मैंने टक शॉप
मैं तेरे लिए वापस गया वहाँ पे, तू अभी मुझे फिर यहाँ पे आया तो
मैं इसे कॉल कर रहा था. इसका फ़ोन साइलेंट में था तो मुझे आधा घंटा देखना पड़ा. फिर सोचा मैं आई एम रियली टायर्ड बिकॉज मैंने सुबह सिर्फ 1 पीस ऑफ ब्रेड खाया है एंड इतनी सी चाय पी है. हमें अभी लंच करना है एंड देन हमें शूट कंप्लीट करना है 2 o'clock को एंड फिर हम शायद सर के साथ बाहर जाएंगे. आज बहुत हेक्टिक हो रहा है मेरा क्योंकि मैं कल सोया भी नहीं. तो आज मुझे रात को सोना है. दैट्स माई एंड गोल. आज मैं 10 बजे सो रहा हूँ या 12 बजे मैक्सिमम. Guys, currently we are outside with our professor. Well, yeah. So basically, क्या हुआ कि हम बाहर जाके like we are gonna go to some local cafes and ask them to shoot the videos. And it's gonna be fun because I always wanted to do that, but I was like, you know, coming with a professor, you can do it more efficiently because just ऐसे जाओगे तो it might be a bit random, but we will see. If someone allows, we'll just take a video of them, edit it, and just post it on social media. Hey guys, so right now let's take college advice from my professor. So
Yeah, am I visible?
yeah, आप ही visible
Oh, okay. अच्छा.
Just say any 5 college advice जो आप freshers को देना चाहते हैं.
College advice. I think roam a lot, eat a lot, stay healthy, and
ठीक है, the golden 3. Okay, thank you so much sir. Hey guys, so currently I'm so sorry for the lighting situation, but I'm really excited for this. We are going to Seasons Mall, me and my roommate. It was completely out of the ordinary. हमारे प्रोफेसर ने बोला कि क्या कर रहे हो अभी, तो हमने बोला जा रहे हैं लाइक हॉस्टल. इसके बाद क्योंकि हमारा शूट हो गया तो उन्होंने बोला कि सीजन्स जाओ ना, पास ही में. सो दिस इज माई फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रैवलिंग अलोन इन दैट वे. सो या आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट टाइम.
कितने मिनट सेकंड की कभी मिनट की.
ठीक है, सो राइट नाउ वी आर हेडेड टू अमनरा मॉल. सो बेसिकली हम एक शेयरिंग ऑटो पकड़ी थी वहाँ से विच लेड अस टू हड़पसर एंड यहाँ से हमने एक प्राइवेट ऑटो लिया विच लेड अस टू काइंड शेयरिंग जो भी हो. ऑटो नॉर्मल प्राइवेट जैसे रहती है वैसे ली विच इज़ 20 रुपीज़ और यू कैन गो बाई बस फॉर 5 रुपीज़. यू गाइस नो मी, आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन हु लाइक्स टू सराउंडेड बाई पीपल. मैं बस में नहीं बैठ पाऊँगा. मैंने बोला ज़्यादा बहुत चलेगा, 20 रुपये ही है. मैं चल रहा बस में, सॉरी मैं चल रहा ऑटो में. मैं वेरी एक्साइटेड, लाइक दिस इज रियली एक्साइटिंग बिकॉज दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम ट्रैवलिंग लाइक दिस. एनीवेज गाइस, आई विल सी यू इन द अमनोरा. हम ज़्यादा कुछ करेंगे नहीं. So we reached almost.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
There movie max is basically like Amanora mein. I did not knew that they didn't had a Inox, but like my friend just wanted to go a movie, and so we just like made a plan right now, and like everything got settled and tickets भी बहुत cheap में मिल रहे थे, so we just thought of that. But here's the small thing, like मूवी हो खत्म या ना हो 7:30 को हम निकल रहे हैं, 1 घंटे में एटलीस्ट एसी में तो बैठ जाएंगे. So anyways the guys, I'll see you guys later. We'll probably just hang out for the couple of minutes until the movie starts.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
Hey guys, so actually we are running right now because we are getting late. See you guys later. Mission accomplished. We are finally in the hotel. Honestly, I might have been a bit exaggerated because like guys, this was my first time I have ever traveled alone, and especially at night, especially at a random location into the hostel. So like I was so scared. आप देख सकते हैं कि हम भागते हैं because हमारी shuttle service रहती है 9 o'clock को, and वो miss हो गई, then we have to walk all through the campus and I don't have the stamina for it, and we are hungry as hell because मैंने सुबह 12 बजे lunch किया था, because मैंने सुबह breakfast नहीं किया था ठीक है. So I think so मैंने मैगी लाई थी. We have to eat that and then we are like you know थोड़ा भूखे पेट में सो जाएंगे और क्या ही कर सकते हैं यार. Tuck shop यानी like the food store was closed, our mess was closed, कुछ खाने के लिए नहीं मिलता यार. Anyways, but like this was like extremely nice. Like हमें actually 30 रुपये ज़्यादा 10 like ज़्यादा पे करके हमें like आना पड़ा ऑटो में, क्योंकि ऑटो भरी नहीं थी और वो चल नहीं रहा था. हमने बोला कि भाई ज़्यादा पे कर देता, अब चलो भैया करके. इसलिए मेरा like दिल एकदम धड़क रहा था एक सेकंड में. आई रियली थॉट लाइक मर गया हम तो अभी. बट हम चाहिए तो लाइक शटल का अगर नहीं दिखना था ना, शटल नहीं था ना, तो हॉस्टल के सामने सॉरी कैंपस के मेन गेट के सामने बिरयानी का शॉप है, तो वहाँ जा सकते थे. बट लाइक हमने लगा कि भाई चल नहीं पाएंगे, शटल चाहिए, इसलिए हम आ गए. Hey sup guys and good morning. So this is day 4 of the hostel life. In evening I'm kind of tired today because मैंने कुछ नहीं खाया. I didn't go for breakfast. So I'm probably gonna head to the cafe and eat something. मैं actually स्कूल ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग आया हूँ and मेरा प्लान है कि आज हमारा 2 बजे को क्लास है. So we'll just meet up for 12:30, have lunch tuck shop पे, and then like we can just go. So that is our plan. I'll see you later. So actually there is this thing called Scholarly Cafe. मेरा breakfast miss हो गया था, so I'm gonna go there and have something as a snack or something because like 12:30 को we're gonna go for lunch anyways. So right now I'm in the cafe and I just took a dosa. There were like other things. I just wanna taste something that tastes a bit like home because I'm just really craving something South Indian right now. But anyways, इसके बाद मेरा प्लान है कि मैं लाइब्रेरी जाऊँगा and रिफ्लेक्शन. So I'm finally in the library and I am just doing some stupidity because honestly I cannot talk in the library. They're pretty strict about that. I just sat and worked a lot because I had a lot of editing to do. Guys, so right now we are in the Hungry Scholar Cafe with Aditya Agarwal, okay, जिसका शॉट कल हमने निकाला था, but he did
भाई को टाइम नहीं मिला था मेरा शॉट।
अरे नहीं टाइम मिला था वो जस्ट ऑडियो
अच्छा मतलब और वैसे भी टाइम मिला था फिर मिला था नहीं।
ऑडियो करप्ट हुई थी और अरे बचा नहीं यार ऑडियो करप्ट हुई थी
हाँ
राइट
वीडियो करप्ट हो गया था। अब जैसे इसका ब्लॉग करप्ट होगा
नहीं ब्लॉग नहीं
फिर इसका चैनल में कॉपीराइट मार के
हाँ,
you know, वो
कर लेते हैं
तो
तो अभी हम जस्ट कैपेचिनो पीने वाला है होप इट वाज टेस्टी
अभी हम कॉफी पीते हैं फिर आपको थोड़ी ब्रेक के बाद चलिए।
We are MIT students, not MIT students, summer school students, and
छपरी स्कूल के स्टूडेंट नहीं बनता
whatever it is, whatever the case may be. But we did summer school right now, and we are recording कुछ किया इस भाई के लिए, and we are going to our hostel. हमको लाइब्रेरी में सरों ने घुसने नहीं दिया, पता नहीं क्या दुश्मनी है, but to be honest I don't care कि किसको चाहिए था तो
I got my shots
इसलिए मैं
and those
फुगट का
were
इसलिए मैं फुगट का कंटेंट बना रहा हूँ ताकि अगर एक दिन सक्सेसफुल हुआ तो मुझे कुछ क्रेडिट वगैरह मिलेगा। वैसे एक्सपेक्टेड तो है नहीं है सक्सेसफुल होगा, इट डजंट मैटर। मैं अच्छा दिख रहा हूँ, बात खराब।
Guys, so actually,
guys,
this guy, my
and we have a
yeah.
developer, topper, software engineer also.
27 years का बंदा जो MIT ADT करने आया है ग्राफिक्स डिजाइनिंग का कोर्स
27 years का बंदा, वो भी
27 years का बंदा,
It is valid, okay?
27 years का बंदा ऐसे मस्ती करने आया है,
बताना जरूरी नहीं था।
रोज पिंग पोंग खेलता है। अभी फोकस इस पे आता है क्योंकि भैया कल आप रुक रहे हो, कल मेरे लिए रुक रहे भैया, भैया मेरे लिए रुक रहे हैं कल।
हाँ भाई पूरे दिन आ गए देख लो
जा भाई, तो ये बंदा जा रहा है एक दिन अर्ली क्योंकि इसको काम है।
ब्रो।
तो
So
चलो
guys, we will meet after he becomes successful because if I become
Yeah.
successful, I'll block him. So yeah.
Similar situation. The feeling is
Bye,
mutual.
guys.
The feeling is mutual. Bye guys. Hey guys, so currently I am here in the motion graphics lab. So currently what happened is हमारे सर ने बोला कि और क्लास नहीं है आज, so I just thought कि actually you guys know that I was making that short film, right? So I had a doubt in that कि I needed a special effect for that. So इसके लिए मैं सर के पास आया and then he just was like थोड़ी देर बैठ जा, so I'm just here and yeah. So I will probably go for lunch and then there is the certification ceremony and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so as I said, I'm currently here at Motion Graphics Lab because I was just interested and I had a shadowed out. Here's the clip of the thing that I made and actually sir ने मुझे like बहुत बड़ा problem solve कर दिया because that shadow thing was really bugging me for that short film because I'm going to use a green screen. I want to be sure that it is realistic because it can be a lot unrealistic. So let me just मैं just आपको सर से इंट्रोड्यूस कर देता हूँ. So this is Sandeep sir.
Hello, Sharan. Yeah.
Because I'm a YouTuber and I just wanted to increase my skills and honestly connect with people because this is my first time being away, so it's like a bit of a pre-college. And I did not expect the course to be this much and I would like this so much. It was very intense and very, very informative. I was able to meet some great people and some great staff also. I'm really, really happy for that. I do have some constructive feedback. I would love it much if the course is more structured and feels a bit more organized. I felt it was a bit less organized. Apart from that, I feel it's great. It's just great, honestly. Thank you for this opportunity. Alright, so I finally just completed out my edit. I mean, it's so freaking bright. I don't know why. But yeah, I just completed my edit and the time is 3:35. भाई यार मैं देखा भी नहीं time. I was like working and I was focused and I just even didn't realize it was like almost 4 in the morning. I didn't expect इतना enjoy करूँगा मैं, but right now I'm really missing my family and I'm kind of getting emotional. Anyways, but the good thing is कल मैं घर जा रहा हूँ, which is very, very, very awesome. And I look very, very bad because like I'm tired. I didn't sleep at all from last 4 days. बिल्कुल भी नहीं, assignments were so much that I couldn't even sleep. I mean, just imagine summer school में मुझे इतने सारे assignments. I did not expect that. So anyways, I'll talk to you later guys. Hey guys, good morning, and I am finally leaving this place, so I'm gonna get everything packed. I just said. Yes, I'm finally in my room, and this 5 days were amazing. So actually, this is the next day after that. I was really tired when I came home and I just slept. मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है. I was blackout. I was tired as hell because last 5 दिन में I must have slept 12 hours. 5 दिन में मैंने 12 घंटे सोए. So I was so swept off my feet, so tired कि मैं कल record नहीं किया, and I forgot to record the final clip. So I'm recording the day after. Yesterday. So basically, I just wanted to say how awesome last 5 days were. I met a lot of people, yeah, seriously, like Aditya, my roommate, Tushar, Bhaiya, and like the senior. It was amazing, to be honest. It was a life-changing experience, and it was like a pre-college testing thing, so that कि मैं देख सकता हूँ कि how am I supposed to do for my actual college. And I learned a lot of stuff, to be honest. Not exactly related to YouTube or the course that I took, because I'm gonna be honest, I knew a lot of that stuff. But it did force me to make a lot of more content than I would have made. Like, I made like 5 videos that you must have saw. Yeah, I mean, I would have made them eventually sometime, but not at that exact pace that I did in my college. So yeah, it was really fun. And I always say, if you get an opportunity, just grab it. I did. I felt it was really fruitful. It wasn't very expensive. It was 10,000 rupees. I know it is not cheap, but it was not very expensive. So yeah, that is the end of this vlog. This 5 days have been amazing, and thank you so much for every single one who has watched my videos and every single one who has been in this vlog. And I'll see you in the next one.